What's it up? What's it up now? Ladies!
Yes. Yeah. What we have to say about Skilly and Skeng performance over Trinidad and Tobago. I not lie people. It's like an anthem. It's like a choir anthem. I saw Skilly have the place. Remember me tell you, my brother. The thing shell. The whole of Tobago in a frenzy. Trinidad get ready because of phony time next, And Canada, we make sure you get ready for the wap artists because what a pandemonium thing. And I'm not joking nation people. The man shell where the whole of Trinidad and Tobago. When I say shell, I mean spent shell and head shell. I not talk peanut shell. You see what I say? I mean a crazy shelling. So watch me now, make we start first. You see what I say? Because I'm going to piece of the video now. Don't worry the nation people. I'm going to go on a piece of the video and make you watch. But in the meantime, and make you drop necessary equipment because you don't know how we roll already. We have to drop the biggest intro in a dance hall before we even start step concretely because we don't know where a concrete stepper and we don't know how we step already. So anything we shake it about the place, the own for broke off when we step. So make we step now, nation people. And the world it's not a plan. You know just what you are going, carefully, a franchise, the choosing one, the 10-star general. You don't know it go already. When we come to represent a full effecting man. You don't know it go when we load up, aim up, crank up, drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing them. Hey, you don't know a loud explosion about ya. Watch me now, man. Are the people's champion. Oh, you mean? Hey, yo, a Gaza favorite. Most definitely. Watch me. Are the most electrifying man by YouTube entertainment business. What? Your nation people. Over 10-star TV alone, you can come and see them view ya. You think me easy? Me not tell you already a long time. I grade me smoke. I'm in a bun meeting. You better believe me. And don't follow those jockstrap sniffing fast easy. What? Yes. Sure is. Sure over here. You come and see those beautiful views of New York City over 10-star TV. No gimmicks not there in my game nation people. You don't know what I represent already. A Gaza way. There ain't no other way. And remember, say the world boss have 2 hit songs out there gonna need for stream Gaza Nation. And this is what I say, and run up the views on it on YouTube, although it's not something where we really demands or something where we have to get because you know our thing bigger than YouTubers make you know from previous videos say our streaming, the most streaming we get it come from the United States of America and a local thing. You know what I say? But in the meantime, you go and run up the views on the song them and make certain you leave magnificent comment underneath the video because you don't see and no gimmicks business. I mean magnificent comment underneath the song because the song them not drop visual yet. You see what I say?
What up? Chat, kill it, ask me. You know we have got some to right here. Them babu. Shit! Everything. Like I said, I will say for them. On the way.
I'm not gonna lie to the nation people. Back to the Skillibeng thing. Right now, Skillibeng dominate the Caribbean. Right about now. You see what I say? Just remember, say, him go to the first world country, them and turn it upside down. At the Caribbean time now, I remember, say, we have Canada line up. You see what I say? Canada make sure you're ready, you know. Because no gimmicks business not dead about it. When the wap artist circle on the ends, a mad thing. You see what I say? Yeah. Yes, Skeng perform good. We not gonna lie about it. Them get him forward them and them shit, but you know Skillibeng thing upon them no stick. You know Skillibeng thing off the chart. You know Skillibeng thing is like choir practice. You see what I say? You know when church in fire. And yeah. A certain treat him fans them. The whole venue in fire. Pussy clot. What more you can say about Bang Bang, my brother? Bang Bang make case with the album that the people them say. You see what I say? Right now the people them are worried. You see what I say? Because them want the album now Bang Bang. You see what I say? Yeah, you have done enough. You have proved your point and prove yourself. You see what I say? Right now the fans them need your album Bang Bang. And the performance there, where you give to Tobago, oh shit, I know Trinidad can't bumbuckle wait. Because I know say the twin country, right? Yes. The twin island should say. Yes. It sure is. Yeah man, nation people. Remember say, the man not touch Trinidad yet where a fiend place. A Tobago get shell. I remember me tell you, it wasn't no peanut shell. A spent shell, head shell. You see what I say? Yeah, I don't know, joke shit me I talk about. A real way me I represent. You can tell by the performance what me I gonna make you see. Because right now, you know, Skillibeng, you know, thing, you know, set off. It gone first class right about now. No joke shit not dead about it. As me hear Branda as we are telling you now. Are the leader for the new generation. Yes. He sure is. You can't take that from him. You see what I say? The material evidence has been there in front all of our eyes. You see what I say? And people not tell me, oh no love how the man deal with Trinidad and Tobago. You see what I say? Tell me how no love the performance in the comment section. Tell me if you don't like what Speng perform, although it's not a lot, but at least you not get a sneak preview on behalf of the 10-star one. No gimmicks thing not dead about it, you know. You see what I say? Yes. Sure is. Alright about now, me hear Ellen Powder House a broke because a whole heap of people I say right now, Skeng a this up massacre. One thing I want to know if him serious or him ready for the crooks. Because normally when crooks take with people, you know, them gonna deep with them. You see what I say? If I know them shirt you find or them shoes are the only evidence that unless you find the crooks for going on him stomach when him solar people. No lollipop thing that they about it, you know, so Skeng, be careful. Oh, you are with the crooks. You see what I say? Just be careful and stay far. You see what I say? Because if crooks wall you, a deep them are gonna go with you. Them not gonna find you. Them good for find the Jordan where you sing about. You see what I say? Alright, them good for find piece of your shirt. No more evidence. You see me unless you find that special crook. So make certain you understand what you do and make certain you're very be careful of what you do. Crooks are not something for you to play with. Because let me tell you something. Me never see one man catch a crooks yet. You see what I deal with? Yeah, me never see one man defeat a crooks yet. You see what I say? So make certain you're real serious about what you are dealing with. Yeah, people, we're going to continue to watch this awesome performance of Skillibeng. Just watch what he did in Trinidad and Tobago. Watch how he left the whole of Tobago in a frenzy. You see what I say? Trinidad, you know, warm up on yourself because food time next. Remember me tell you that. Canada, make certain you're ready. You see what I say? Because Bang Bang coming soon. Wait, a full moon? Yes. When Bang Bang reach Canada, a total different shellings. You hear that? the general, the 10 star one. I represent. Stay tuned, people. I enjoy Beng Beng performance. What? Gaza way now. There ain't no other way. 10 star. General.
What up? Catch up, kill it, that's me. What? Oh no, we have got some to and to right here. Them babu. But sing everything. When I say that, I will say for them. Oh no, we have. Oh no, we have. Oh no, we have. What's it up? What's it up now? Ladies! Turn your How many call me?